I'm gonna show y'all how I use the curves EQ to actually help the vocals cut through the beat. So what we gonna do is we're gonna go right in here. First, we're gonna go up here to setup. We're gonna go to our IO. We're gonna go to bus. We're gonna click new path, and we're gonna make that path mono. And let's just name it vocal aux. Boom. Then we're gonna hit up. So then on our vocal track right here, we're gonna actually go here and put a send up on that track and go to that one we just did, right? So we're gonna go to vocal aux 2 right here, and we're gonna turn this up to 0. Turn the send up to 0. Now we can exit out of that. Then now on this track right here, this is where we're gonna actually load the curves EQ up at. So let me show you. So this is the track we want to load the curves EQ on. Because if you don't use the live version, it's gonna create a latency. You ain't gonna like that. Look, on the plug-in, you see this little key right here? This is where the magic happens. You know what I'm saying? This little key, I'm gonna put the key, click on that key right here, and then we're gonna take that to bus vocals aux 2. That's the stand track we just set up. So now we got our vocals going into this plug-in, into the curves EQ, but it's only gonna trigger when the vocals are playing. Hey, you know what? I'm tripping, y'all. So look, I'm gonna show y'all how to carve out space in a 2-track beat, right? With the curves resolve plug-in. That's the one we was looking for. You hear me? So we found it. So boom, we're gonna go to curves resolve, but we're gonna go to curves resolve live. We're gonna click on the stereo one, right? Boom, bring that up. And then right where this key at, you wanna go here, go to the bus and pick the bus, the vocal aux 2 that we just set up on our send. So we click that, boom. So now we in the game. So now back on the curves resolve plug-in, right? Now you gonna just hit learn, then just play it. And this plug-in only gonna trigger whenever the vocals are playing. So right now it's just collecting all the vocal information. Once it gets the blanket and saying stop, you can just hit stop, boop.
I had some weight up on my shoulder, so my angels get.
Now I'm about to show y'all what to do, right? It collected my vocal information and the frequencies. You get what I'm saying? So now we're gonna turn this knob up.
Look, I had some weight up on.
I'm gonna turn it all the way up so y'all can hear what it's doing.
Look, I had some weight up on my shoulder, so my angels get the pressure on me. I got some demons in my ear, I swear they keep on talking. Why the ones that walk in?
See how it turned the beat down? You know what I'm saying? Let the vocals shine through, but it's turning the whole beat down. And we don't want that. We just want the certain range, right? So right here where it say sidechain content, we gonna hit vocals and we gonna hit rap. Boom. So now, even when we play it while the knob's still up, you're gonna hear the difference. You hear how more the beat came back in and it's just squashing, just turning down on frequencies where the vocals are dominating in.
Had some weight up on my shoulder, so my angels get the pressure on me.
And we don't never want to use it this much anyway, so we're gonna turn it back down.
I had some weight up on my shoulder, so my angels get the pressure on me. I got some demons in my ear, I swear they keep on talking.
I say about right there, about 30%. And it just allows the vocals to sit in the beat a little bit better, because some people just take the vocals and turn them up when they sound like they're getting buried. And sometimes it's not even just a turning the vocal up thing. Sometimes it's about carving out some frequencies, because them frequency spaces get to fighting with each other. And that's when your song gets to sounding overcrowded, distorted, and all of that. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I love this curves. That's why I love this curves resolve. I'm glad they came out with this plug-in. And as y'all see, it's only deducting this blue right here is where it's deducting that. All this blue right here is where it's actually deducting. Actually, where it's deducting that. You get what I'm saying? So y'all see, we turn it up more, y'all see that blue go down more. But we don't want that much. We want to bring it back.
Why the ones that walk in shit, they steady crossing. I put this shit up on my back until I'm in that coffin. I had hoop dreams like I'm Michael, now I'm moonwalking.
Because you don't want to do too much and to where it take the life out of the beat. You get what I'm saying?